Hi, my name is Jonathan Orpin. I'm the CEO and the founder of New Energy Works Timber Framers. We originally started back in New York State, and we still have our large manufacturing plant there. But we came out here about 16 years ago, just because, well, honestly, this is where the big wood is. And so we started a new plant out here on the West Coast. For the last 15 years or so, we've used some equipment that was starting to get pretty old. So last year we invested in ourselves and built this new building, as well as installed some new equipment to improve both our output and our quality. We now have the two four-sided planers here. We wanted a finished quality planer just before our robotic timber cutting line, so that we would know that the quality and the accuracy was exactly what was required. As a whole, we think of equipment as a tool, not a religion, but a good tool used well will allow us to do better work for our clients and the product as things go on. Because of our history as timber framers, that is, of craftsmen of bespoke timber framing, one-off, highly customized, we are relatively highly skilled woodworkers. And that has allowed us to bring that history to the world of commercial timber framing, where our finishing techniques and our quality of joinery and our thinking process of how to install, how to erect these bigger timbers has become really just natural for us. And so I'm really pleased that we've been able to expand our market into these really large timber frames without losing our history, our sense of craft, and our sense of quality. You know, in being in business for as long as I have, and as long as this company has, one thing that has really come through to me is how do we respond to other people in this marketplace? For instance, my competitors. One of my favorite quotes or toasts is, "Here's to good people doing good work." Right now, one of the things that this new equipment has allowed us to do, and this new facility has allowed us to do, is do more work for people who might be considered my competitor. About half of our work right now is pre-work and timber framing for other timber framers or with other timber framers. It's just a great part of this industry. We have shared so much with each other. We're all oftentimes friends. And I think that's really speaks well of us as a craft and as a community. So that's our story. Almost 40 years old as a company, 160 co-workers, 100% employee owned, and woodworkers, timber framers, engineers. We'll be working for a while, maybe with you. Thanks for watching.